Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Hyundai ix35. Then I'll take you for a ride in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a 2-litre CRDi 16-valve premium four-wheel drive. 2013 on a 13 plate, has done 71,707 miles. Fuel economy, urban 31 miles per gallon, extra urban 46.3 miles per gallon, and combined is 39.2 miles per gallon. Has a 0 to 60 time of 9.8 seconds, a top speed of 121 miles per hour out of a 181 brake horsepower, 4-cylinder 16-valve engine. Road tax, 6 months is £167.75 and 12 months is £305. Good looking front end, chrome grille, fog lamp surrounds, multi-spoke alloys, we've got power folding door mirrors, the sill protectors there. You've also got keyless entry and keyless go, so long as you've got the keys on you, if you just press that button, it's locked, and then if you press it again when you come back to the car, it opens. A nice simple system. A panoramic sunroof, we've got the aluminium roof bars here, rear privacy glass, it's got the tailgate and roof spoiler, electric boot release, nice big deep boot, rear load cover there, just put that up like so. It's also got the heavy duty rubber mat protector, and let me just see, have we got a full size spare wheel in there too? Yes. Reversing sensors in the back there, in the bottom of the bumper. Nice comfortable seats in the back. We've got here rear centre armrest with 2 cup holders. Also, good thing in this, you've got heated rear seats as well. Panoramic roof, the rear seat passengers have their own kind of section of the roof, and you can pull that blind across if it gets too sunny for you. Real nice, as I say, well finished off, plenty of room, plenty of leg room. It's got the carpet over mats, and a nice place to be. I'll just take you for a ride in it. As I say, keyless entry, 2 Hyundai keys there. It's also keyless ignition. Just foot on the brake and the vehicle will start. Really nice car. Bluetooth hands-free there. It's playing off my phone. If you've watched this channel before, you'll probably have heard me say that manufacturers seem to design the book packs first, and then the glove box designer gets it and just makes the glove box a little bit too small. Well, that's like War and Peace. That's the car navigation system instruction book. The good thing is I will make a video after, when I finish the drive, how to set the sat nav, how to delete a mobile, how to pair a mobile, and how to stream music. But so that's the first book that goes in the glove box, and then here we've got the second book pack, and we've got a service book in here. I'll just show you the service book. It's there we go, all sorts of other stuff in as well. And then we've got the service history, which it'll take too long to do. I'll cut in. It's again sad to see that these dealers can't afford ink for the stamps, but you know, fortunately that's been done at the same dealer for quite a while. Otherwise, you probably won't get who it was after that. So that's the second book pack. We put that in the glove box, and guess what? It won't shut. Now that's how service books get lost and instruction books get lost. Really stupid idea. Well, when I first started selling Opels, the service book used to slot in the footwell. There was a special place. Service book was always there, and once you took it had been stamped, you ripped the token out, and then it showed you when the service was next needed. So you could see it down by your foot. Really simple idea, and why they've gone away from that, I'll never ever know, and especially to digital service history. But back to the car. Heated front seats. We've got here tilt and slide electric sunroof, and you've also got the one at the back there. I don't know if I can get it from there, but they've got a proper blind. Now, let's just take that forward. And again, it's got a nice simple sliding blind that takes you 2 seconds to do. Foot on the brake into drive. So it's a very high seating position. Seats are very comfortable. Loads of equipment. Before we set off, I'll just show you these. Power folding door mirrors, and then here we've got height and reach adjustable multifunction steering wheel. You can also knock the gear selector across there and change up like so and down. You've got an eco switch here, which it's in eco. I can't really tell too much difference in the way it's driving. Probably just change gear as soon as possible. Good suspension, soaks up the bumps. It's 4-wheel drive as well. You have your diff lock switch just there for off-roading or when you need extra traction. Sat nav, map. There you go. You just got to agree you're not going to get distracted, and that gives you the display. Over here, you've got electric door mirrors, and you switch. I've just managed to put my hand on the rear electric window switch. So it's got 4 electric windows, and it also has heated seats in the back, which I suppose is a good feature if you're taking your kids to school on a cold day. You might be able to hear somebody sliding about. That's my camera bag. But the car's nice and quiet. There's no squeaks or groans. Got the fan on. Just turn that down a bit. Air conditioning is nice and cold. Front central armrest here with loading space in it. In the centre here you've got 2 power sockets, or 2 charging sockets, and then you've got auxiliary in, and also USB. It has a reversing camera. As I say, really, really comfortable. That's cruise control there, so let's just see, set. Is that set? No, you have to click it down to set, so it's on there. Click down to set, and then you can actually increase the speed by just knocking that little switch upwards. That's cancel there from you. So everything, you answer your phone from there, the green telephone symbol, and then the red hang up symbol. Over here you've got your audio controls, channel controls, and you've got your trip switch here. There you go. It's just showing the average fuel consumption at the moment, average speed, time you've been driving, trip A, trip B, and how far you've got left in the tank before you need to fill up. Nice smooth automatic gearbox. Very reliable cars, Hyundais. or Hyundais as they're supposed to be pronounced, I think. Got airbags in the A pillar and the B pillar, and the dash there and the steering wheel. Reasonable acceleration. Wipers on the left here. Sorry, my other left. Wipers on the right here. And then you've got indicators on the left and also your lights, automatic lights. Let's just squirt the screen, see what the blades are like. Yep, they're pretty good. And then onto the rear wiper. Press away and that's squirting the screen. Yeah, that's working good too. This car's just as it's come in. Lance hasn't given it the treatment yet, so it's clean enough now to photograph. And bearing in mind that close-up photographs, they show every little speck of dirt. There's my 439-pound camera going off after, what, 3 minutes? It's a disgrace, really. It's a nice smooth ride. Pretty quiet too. You have got the aluminium roof bar carrier system on the top. You just need a couple of crossbars, and then of course you can put roof box, bike rack, and plenty of room in the back. Rear seats fold down, and they're also I think 60-40 split. One of the seat belts comes out of the roof for the centre passenger. So you've got 3 inertia reel belts. And I will just switch the cruise on, wait for this car to overtake. And try and get up to 70. Right, we're okay here. Actually, that's a very, I didn't realise we were going that fast, so I'll just drop in here actually. So let's get up to 70 quickly. I'm coming off of the next one. So that's about 70 there. 3,000 revs. No wheel wobbles. I can't. It's apart from putting a green light on the dash that says eco, I can't just tell what the eco switch is doing. Sometimes you can tell and the engine revs jump up, but not in this case. Always feel like I should do the sign of the cross or something when I come to this roundabout. It's unbelievably bad drivers around here. Nice smooth braking, no judders through the brakes or the steering wheel. All the discs spot on. Sorry, that's me. I've got it in manual. Put it back in auto. I've got so much camera equipment now. I had 3 bags before, so I decided to buy one very big bag, which is now so heavy. It's also got wheels on. The unfortunate thing is when it's in the back and you go around the corner, it slides from side to side. So I'm going to have to revisit that situation. Turn it the other way up at least. Nice car to drive. Very, very comfortable. Lovely through the little bends there, no knocks, no complaints from the steering. Just a real good family car. I like being higher off the ground, to be fair. You can see more, especially on lanes like this. Nice big car, you feel nice and safe in it too. So I'll finish the test drive there anyway. Nothing to report. It's a lovely car. Nothing to get back to the mechanics when they do the pre-delivery inspection or the pre-display inspection. Nothing to tell them, nothing to look out for. Just the routine checks. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.